Mo Senator Mochore Essy Okenyuri ni garuro kuboria gochia saba ibori serikali na wagwatani kubwaterana na gusira abana bonsi bali nebyegwa helibanyare kwegenderia gochia sama tukari busyo okwana sama gacho yebunge ye Senate mu basolero igene kibuna bitambukire kiungi chikwene kibuna hebyegwa tiribigo chigo stiwesko kurwa sabana bali nebyegwa ao.
I want to support the statement by Senator Professor Tom Ojenda on the framework to identify talents. Mr. Speaker, while in support of the same in the athletic side, I feel that should cut across all sports. Like we have so many young people who have put themselves in teams playing football, and I think these are very good avenues of sporting very strong footballers who can even join our national team and put us on the world map or the country's map, because most of these teams that are coming up on their own are not given special attention and ends up demoralizing the young people who are venturing into this area. So I feel this statement is actually a wake-up call that we also put focus, apart from excelling on book work, we also need to develop the talent, and you develop talent by appreciating and taking note of whatever is existing. From schools, we have children who are already showing different abilities in the various schools they are in. Those are areas which the ministries, both of education and sports, can take advantage of to come up with a serious framework that can take into place and factor all these other aspects that Professor has mentioned, so that we are not only focusing on athletics but sports in general. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.